Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're just going to go through some trade updates, what's happened to our trades, where they're at, what I expect to happen going forward. So euro dollar has dropped nicely, still on our way towards these targets. We're starting to find a little bit of support just around this level here now. So what I've done is brought my stops to break even to let that market kind of move and breathe. Now what we could anticipate happening is the market kind of coming back up into this sort of area to find some resistance. Let's just move that and put an actual line there instead. So we could actually anticipate the market coming back towards these lows before seeing a continuation. So what that would look like is if the market kind of found a bit of support in here, pull back, find some more resistance, and then continue down. We've moved quite a way, so if you did want to bank that trade, you can. I've just moved my stops to break even for now, looking for the market to come and target down at this key level that we've identified before. So still expecting that dollar strength to come in and push this market towards our targets. Dollar Swiss has just triggered. We've come into that key area here. Now the reason I wanted to get long this market is if we go into the daily time frame, the market actually produced a really nice bullish candle yesterday after finding some support at this weekly level. So if you look at the weekly time frame, the market's been here before. It's at the previous weekly lows, suggests to me that that could be a support area. Looking for the market to pull back into these previous daily swing lows. So what I'm looking for really is the market to find a little bit of support in here and then continue to the upside. So looking at this hourly time frame, we're looking at the 30-minute time frame. This lines up with our strategy quite nicely. The market's just finding, just waiting to see if it finds a little bit of support. We could drop a little bit further, maybe test the 200 before, but that's why we've put our stops nicely below that low, so that we, we've got a lot of space to work with on this one. Going to Aussie Yen again. Market rallied off the back of Trump's comments and the de-escalation of war between the two nations. We come up into this resistance level, which is what we were looking for. We've been triggered. Stops are just above the highs at the moment. Just waiting for this one to play out really. There's not really a fat lot going on here at the moment, so just waiting to see what happens with this. If we can push down towards these lows again, that'll be great. Kiwi yen is starting to find a bit of resistance. So is that going to be sort of the first sort of kind of leading indicator into what could happen into Aussie yen potentially? Aussie dollar's finding a little bit of support at the moment, which we did anticipate because we do want to continue to get short this market, but we have to just keep an eye on this and see what happens. If it starts to pull back up in here, then we may have to look to take a small loss on Aussie yen before catching the larger move. But, essentially everything's looking okay so far. Euro's really doing the work for us at the moment, looking for that to continue down. If we do pull back, we may get an opportunity to add in on a lower time frame. So on the hourly, maybe if we get back up in here, we may be able to add another position on this market to short again. Strength and weakness tables really suggesting that the dollar is going to get stronger. So I'm looking for those opportunities across our currency pairs. So thanks for watching this video update. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.